In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix brightness problems in Windows 11. Okay, for this, we can go into the search bar and here we look for the device manager. I click on the device manager and after that, we can click on monitors. So, and what we can do here is click on the generic monitor, right click on it, and then we can disable the device. So click on this and then yes, and yeah. I click on no right now because this might crash my recording. But what you also can do is right click on it again, and here we can update driver, search automatically for drivers, and here we have already installed the best driver. We can also search for updated drivers on Windows Update, or we can browse on the computer, and here we can pick from a list. So click on this and then click on next, and then you can install the driver here. Okay. And yeah, this is what you can do here, and you also can scan for hardware changes. Okay, genau. And after that, if this doesn't help, we can go into the Microsoft Store. So click on this, and then here we type in Twinkle Tray brightness slider. So click on this. After that, we have to open it or download it, and now we can click on the arrow on the left down here. Then here we have Twinkle Tray. So click on this, and here we can select our brightness. So click on this, and then you see here is the brightness we can adjust. So, and yeah, this is all you have to do. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot, and see you next time.